is this why the IPO is so important? Because it firmly puts this whole co-location mess behind NSE.
For me,
It means everything is cleared up, and it gives a chance for investors to participate in what NSE is doing.
in a practical sense, today I have like 1,69,000 investors already. It's larger than number of shareholders are larger than most large companies which are already listed. The stock is also traded heavily in private markets and things like that. But uh, as you rightly said, it gives that vote of confidence from the regulators if it lists. It also allows the larger stakeholders. Today also, even now, 31.2% of the stocks are held by PSUs, right? And that gives them also an ability to exit, ability to also claim that they have this. Many of them invested probably 50 lakhs or 1 crore, 2 crores. When it lists, it will have several thousands of crores coming to them. And so for me, it's many things, because listing may be just an event, but it brings the corporate governance framework to the par with the best, and brings the transparency in policy making, in the way you run the organizations. And that's why I think listing is more from, especially for institutions which are public like NSE, it's basically making them more accountable to people. You
Where
need to
is
have
it
them
stuck?
listing. In a way, the way the process works is that NSE is a regulator, but it's also a regulated entity. It's one of the rare cases where a regulator also has a regulator above them. And so because we are a regulated entity, we have to get first no objection certificate from our regulator, which is SEBI, to give us the approval to go and file our DRHP, which is the draft red herring prospectus. And so once our NOC comes from SEBI, then we will prepare the DRHP, and then we will file it again with SEBI, which also clears the DRHP after scrutiny.
That's the procedure, sir, but this IPO has been stuck for close to a decade.
No, but if you look back, even for BSE, I joined it in 2009, and there was a need, 2005 onwards, to list BSE because the shares were sold to lots of other people, non-brokers. And finally, after so many committees and other things, finally the BSE was allowed to list in 2017 January, right?